To my past person, you've done the absolute most to me. And I hear that word on the street is, yeah, the collective need to give you an apology. There's something drastically wrong with you. You need mental help. You cannot expect me to apologize for your fuck-ups. You really done the most to me. Things that you did in my name. All these lies that you're spreading, you and your friends. You know, literally you guys try to play God. You want to decide what happens in my life, how I'm supposed to live my life. I must always be down and out so that you can siphon my energy. All this theft on my name, claiming that collective is dead for insurance policies, all these things, and you expect me to give you an apology. I told you from the get-go, I'm not to be messed with. Really, I'm not to be messed with. God says, touch not my anointed ones. I told you that I'm a chosen one, and whatever you're gonna do, you're wasting your time, money, effort. But yes, you're laughing at me, making jokes of me. I'm just a big joke in your eyes. You, your friends, your family, all of you laughing at the collective. Who's laughing now? Karma's kicking your ass, and it's only the beginning. Things are coming that you have no idea what's gonna happen. You guys are literally going down. I'm out here, I'm living my life, my best life. You try to cripple me in every possible way that you can, and you couldn't succeed. I told you will never succeed. I'm untouchable, I'm unstoppable. Nothing you say or do is gonna affect me in the least bit. I told you each and every spell that you are sending to me, just bounce back to sender. And yet you go out there and tell people, yeah, the collective is doing witchcraft on me. I'm not doing witchcraft. All I do is sit back, relax, enjoy my life, and let God do His work. My ancestors, your ancestors, they're kicking your ass. Everything that you think you're doing in the dark and the collective don't know about it, the collective knows. I'm literally like a fly on the wall. You're still busy making your stupid plans on how to take the collective out, and I'm all over it. I know each and every single thing. Things that you try to hide away from me, thinking I don't know. Like your STDs. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Now you see fucking STDs. Life-threatening diseases. Why? Because you can't keep your legs closed. You can't keep your legs closed. You were playing around with Dick, Tom and Harry. A boyfriend that likes girls also. Are you kidding me? You don't want people to know that he's bisexual. But the collective knows. The collective is fully aware of it. I'm aware of everything. And you think I don't know? You got married to this fool? Open a relationship. Are you fucking kidding me? Really now? How do you get married to a person but you have an open relationship? That's the psycho games that you guys play. I'm way better off without you. Really, solitude has done me very well. I don't even think about the relationship. I'm not saying I'm never gonna have one. It's coming. But I don't even think about the relationship at the moment. My life is way too good for me to have a relationship even now. There's no way in hell that I can look at you the same way that I used to look at you way back in the day. Everything changes the first time you started cheating on me. That is when everything changed. You couldn't see it, but it changed. Everything changed. What I felt for you, everything changed. Because you cannot tell someone that you love him and he's your sun and the moon and everything in one go, but you're cheating on this person. It's next level delusional, honestly. All the times you were cheating on me with various different people, you know it and I know it because I could tell you who it was. What you couldn't understand is, how do I know? That is one thing that you couldn't understand, is how does the collective know about this? You should have stayed with Junaid. Leave the rest and just keep Junaid. I told you when you were cheating with Junaid. I told you. Go to him. Go live with him. Go get married with him. Hell, I'll even help you pack and take you. I'll drive you there myself. But you didn't want to. Instead of him, you bounce to the next one, into the next one, and then you go same sex and back to a man, and then you're so over this guy, but you don't even like guys. You this is next level fucking crazy. You're a mother of children, huh? And you like girls. Jesus Christ. I mean, psycho on a whole new level. I don't like same sex, never. I don't see myself in the arms of another man. That's fucking weird. That is next level stupid. I can never I can never sleep with a man. Are you fucking crazy? Really? I love women. That is what I like. But I'm also not gonna mess around. Sleeping around with various different people when you're in a relationship with one particular person, be it you're married to the person or not, that is not right. You're just building up karma, really. And karma takes its time. But karma, don't forget. And once karma hit you, you're not gonna like it. You're fully aware of that process. Karma's fucking you up like a motherfucker. You don't know what a good night's rest is. You're drinking, using drugs, what? Try to escape your karma, you can't escape your karma. You're gonna sit with this mess for the rest of your life. Because the divine is showing you what to do, how to do it. Stop messing with the collective. Focus on yourself. Do what the divine is telling you to do. But you are stubborn as a motherfucker. You don't want that. All you want is a quick fix. Quick fix, that is what you want. You are gold digging war, that is what you are. You went with this guy thinking, yeah, no, he's got money. Ah, well, yeah, everything will be hunky-dory. You'll be living in a nice house, you have money, what sort of nothing. But he turned out to be a million times worse than you. So, you tell me, what kind of lifestyle are you going to live? It's really sad, it's sad, you know. I don't even feel sorry for you, because all these years I've been watching you doing all this crazy shit, thinking the collective don't know about these things, and I knew everything. That's why for me picking up and leaving your ass and just go be by myself wasn't a train smash for me. I don't think about you, I don't think about the past, because the past is in the past and that is where it will stay. So, if even you have an idea of maybe thinking, wait, I'm going to try my hand and see if the collective can forgive me, I'm telling you straight no. There's no coming back. What's done is done, and that is it. I will never ever take you back. I don't even want to see you. Honestly, I don't even want to see you. That's how bad it is. I don't even want to see you. I don't feel sorry or disappointed that we are not together anymore, because that has been divinely approved by the Almighty God Himself. We're not meant to be together. Literally, I was placed in your life to bring you up to standard, to my standard. That was the divine plan. You got a good husband that don't cheat, don't do weird things. It's just there. It's a family man that wanted to build this family. We could have been here so far in life, but in turn you chose to do the wrong thing. You chose to do all the weird things. Really, you got a gem, really a diamond, and you threw it away, and now you sit in chaos, and now you think I'm gonna be there to save you, to help you, to comfort you in the craziness that you designed for yourself. That is not gonna happen. You and all your minions, your fake ass fucking husband, all of you, you're going down. You are going down, and there's nothing that I'm gonna do to save any of you fools. In your eyes I was a joke, I was a comedian, I was a freak, so all the nonsense that you get on, you wanna blame it on me. No, he's delusional, no, he's a monster, he's a this, he's a that. I don't care what you say about me. What you say and think and whatever about me is none of my business. I don't give a rat's ass, you know. You speaking ill on me, you, your friends, whoever, you know, you're just building up more karma. You're just building up more karma. All your spells, everything that you try to do. I mustn't be able to work, my car must be fucked up, everything. You guys just try to break me down. And it's time for me to speak up to whoever's going through the same thing. I'm here to support each and every one of you. Because these people like this, they want to control your life and they want to decide when you're going to die. But I told these people, all this freaking shit, all this magic, all these death spells, all their craziness, it stops with me. Because unlike these other chosen ones, it wasn't fully awakened. I'm stopping it right here, right now. You guys are going down. Really. Expect the unexpected. I'm not cursing you. I will never curse you. I'm not here to curse people. I'm here to bring the light. Share the love. I'm here for peace and harmony. That is why I'm here. I never cursed any of you people. Regardless what you guys said about me, what you post, whatever you did towards me, I never cursed any of you. That is not my job. That I leave to the angels, my ancestors, and the divine, because He's got the final say. He decides your fate. It's not for me to say this or that. He decides your fate. So whatever you have stolen from me, whatever you did, it will come back to me. I'm not here sitting crying, oh no, they stole my money, they stole my house, they stole this. No, I'm not doing that. Why must I cry over things like that? What really interests me is being able to help people that's going through the same thing. Enlighten the people so they can be alert to idiots like you, thinking you're of God. It's all a scam. Your fake church, where you do all your magic, all your witchcraft, but you want to pretend that you're godly people. Oh no, we're so holy. You are of the devil. You are all on demon time. You know you're on demon time. It's only a matter of time. Really, it's only a matter of time. And like I told you, you were laughing at me, cracking jokes about me, saying the collective is this and that. It's fine. We're gonna see who's gonna have the last laugh. Really. And I'm gonna have fun with you guys. Really. I'm gonna laugh my ass off. Because through all this crap that you did, all these attempts, you do one spell, you don't get the outcome. You do it over and over and over and thinking you're gonna get a different result, not knowing you're fucking yourself up. Because everything that you send goes back multiplied. Your health is declining, everything is declining. You are so fucked in court, it's not even funny. And you guys think the collective doesn't know these things. I know everything. I know everything. You can go and spread your diseases wherever you want to. No, you're building, but every time you spread your diseases, you're building up more and more and more karma. You're disgusting human beings. Really, you're not even human. You're demon. You're full-blown demon. Humanity has left the building how long ago? That is what it is. You want to live off other people's money and success and things like that. That is what you want. You're pulling the weak ones. Come, let us take your money, your shit, your whatever. Criminal. You always want to be in the spotlight. No, we all this, we've got money, we got this, we got that. It's not yours. You're stealing. You're just stealing. You steal everything you can get your hands on, you want to steal it. Fake death certificates, insurance fraud. Your people are way too funny. It's like watching a freak show. Crown-ass people with baby brains. Yeah, but like I said, time is up. Time to face the music. So yeah, be prepared. It's gonna be an epic journey. Life as you knew it will never ever be the same. Why? Because we, the 144,000 chosen ones, is gonna change everything. We're changing everything. We are unstoppable. You cannot touch us. We're putting an end to all this so-called nightmare that you think you can create here. You fools are in the tree and you will stay there. Things will never ever come right for you. We, the 144,000, we're changing. Sit ends with us.